by hand, we take this oil. This oil is bring to home. In home, must stay 15 days in one long jar. After 15 days, it is a normal separation. The good oil is on top, and little bad oil and water is down. This good oil today we put in stainless steel, but in the past, olive oil stay in bone in stone barrel. One is outside in the corner of milk, handmade stone barrel, 200 liters. Here we stop produce olive oil 96 years, the last time produced here. Now it's only for presentation. But today we produce in new press. New press is different system production. Don't have this bag. It is centrifugal system in 8,000 tons in 1 minute. It is the modern press, 1,000 kilo for 1 hour. One corner go water, one corner go rest, and one corner come oil. You come in good rest, bring oil to home, pay, and finish. But when they produce here is very hard manual job. In this mill, for 1 day, work 3 people and 2 horses.
How many farmers use this mill?
How many?
Farmers use this mill.
In the village, we have 17 mill in the past, but in this village, in the middle of 2 wars, have 5,100.
100,000.
In this mill work 24 family. 24 family made oil in this mill.
So did they pay the mill owner?
Pay or rent, or pay oil, and people visual here pay money. This is the new horse. This is a Bella. His name is Bella, 6-year-old. Before we have one old horse, 35-year-old. He was dead last year, very old, and last year is dead. And now this is young horse, and this is 4 times once to work here. I know.
I wish I had a carrot.
Very good.
He's very tame.
I said, young, 6 years. This mill work in this system. Here come water and oil together. Inside, water go out and oil stay top. Now by hand I take oil. And this is oil.